I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on the Nintendo Switch. While Roblox is not officially available on the Nintendo eShop, many players still want to enjoy this popular platform on their console. We will explore two clever workarounds that let you access Roblox content using your Switch hardware. These methods are not official, but they can provide a way to experience Roblox on your favorite portable device. Let's dive into the first method right away. Our first method involves a clever DNS trick to access Roblox through your Switch's web browser. First, navigate to your system settings, then Internet settings, and change your DNS to manual. For the primary DNS, input 045.055.142.122. After saving, attempt to connect to your network. When the connection fails, you will be redirected to a special page where you can access Google and then the Roblox website. Remember, this is for browser access only. For our second method, you can enhance your Roblox mobile experience by using your Joy-Cons. Simply open the Bluetooth settings on your phone or tablet. Take one of your Joy-Cons and press and hold the small pairing button on its side until the lights begin to blink. Your mobile device should then detect the Joy-Con, allowing you to pair it. Once connected, launch Roblox Mobile and enjoy playing with physical controls, offering a much more immersive experience than touchscreens alone. It's important to remember that both of these methods are unofficial workarounds. While they allow you to access Roblox, performance may vary, and you might encounter limitations compared to dedicated platforms. For the most stable and feature-rich experience, Roblox is officially available on PC, mobile devices, and Xbox consoles. We recommend using those platforms for the best gameplay. Thank you for watching, and we hope these tips help you enjoy Roblox in new ways.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.